Hey there again, I'm Omican and you're at OMMICAN'S. In today's session, I'll be showing you how to fund your UBA Prepaid Visa card directly from your mobile app. So without wasting further time, let's head over to my mobile device and let me show you how it's done. Alrighty, so in order for you to get this done, you want to ensure that first you have the mobile app of UBA installed on your device. You can either do this from the Play Store or the App Store, and if you want a link, I'll leave a link in the description below how to do this, right? And you also want to ensure that you have an account with the bank and also have your account funded just like mine is right now, about 6,000 naira for me, just for the purpose of this session. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to use the send money option there, right? But you would also notice that I have a prepaid card on my own app, something you might not have. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do that in another session. But for now, let's focus on what we want to do here. That is to send money into our UBA prepaid card, right? So just tap on send money, and when you do that, this is going to come up, the select transfer mode. Tap on UBA prepaid card. If you don't have UBA prepaid card there, it's all right. Just tap on other banks or to the same UBA accounts, and now you will see transfer from. You want to transfer from your own account, right? From your own account that is there, and ensure that you're transferring from your own account because that's where you want to transfer from. And who are you transferring to, right? You're transferring to a client ID. So the client ID is the 10 digits you would see, like your account number, at the back of your UBA prepaid Visa card, right? The 10 digits. So I'll go ahead to write my 10 digits into the field box that is there right now. So those 10 digits at the back, you want to put it there. Just write them there. And you also want to put the last 4 digits of your card. That's your debit, your prepaid Visa card. Put it there. And then ensure that the information you provide is correct. So ensure that the client ID is correct, also the card 4 digits. And once you've ensured this, just tap on confirm receiver and this would come up. Right now you'll be able to get the confirmation of the receiver. And once you do that, what you want to do next is to save as beneficiary. Not really important, but just do that. And the amount you want to transfer, I'll be transferring about 6,000. Put a description, then hit that transfer button here. Ensure to hit the transfer button. Let's just try out 6,000 on this one. All right, so once I hit the transfer button, you want to put your pin. All right, no, you can't see my pin. Let me cover that up. All right, so once you put your pin, and let's see how it goes. All right, oops, not enough balance. Oh my bad. Yeah, they charge about 53.75 to make that transaction. That's to show you that you're transferring to another account that is not affiliated to you. So let's change this to 59. All right, so now we've got 59 and hit it again, and the pin again. Let me cover that up. All right, so that's it, the transaction fee, and voila, success. All right, so that's it, as simple as that. You just get the transfer done. You can confirm it because they're allowed to drop, as it is dropping right now. There goes one. Let's confirm another one. This is for my prepaid card. Yeah, another one will drop in about 2 seconds. Just wait on it. Okay, but while we're waiting on that, oh, there it goes. It drops, and it drops twice. All right, so now you can check from my account again. Okay, so you can check from my account now that I've successfully funded my prepaid Visa card directly from my UBA mobile app. So you don't have to go to the bank to like put in funds to your prepaid card. You can do it directly from your account as it is right now, and that's how it's done.